want to find a successful product for selling on Amazon? Do you want to know where to find ideas? Do you want to be able to analyze any product you want and determine its potential quickly? Do you want to know about the competition and how to determine its level and how to stand out from competitors? Do you want to know about the useful tools and how to use them for your product research? Hi, my name is Paolo and I would like to welcome you in this course. Product research is one of the most critical stages on which your success depends, because the right product will bring you a lot of money, but the wrong product can bring you only problems. The product is a critical factor of success in any kind of business. A large number of beginners at this stage can be quite long, and it's pretty dangerous because there is a risk that you can start losing motivation. The main goal of this course is to give you all necessary knowledge you need about the product research. We will look at the criteria in detail by which you will be able to determine the potential profitability of the product quickly. We will talk about competition and how to determine its level. I will show you all tools and how to use them for product research. You will know about the ways how to stand out from competitors, where you can find product ideas. You will figure out how much investments you need to start and many more. And one of the most important and useful what we give in this course is a unique table for product analysis, and you will be able to download it and use it for your product research. In this table we put all necessary information you need to be able to effectively analyze any product and see its potential. All criteria, tips and visualization are inside. My team and I work hard to make the table as useful as it's possible. And I will show you how to use the table in practice. I recommend you to watch each video because this course was structured in a way to give you all information step by step, so you will have a particular structure in your mind. Important recommendation from us. Do not spend on product research for more than 2 weeks. Watch the course and give yourself 2 weeks, and by this time you have to choose the product. In this course you will receive the most updated information, and we will keep the information in this course as relevant as it is possible. Thank you for joining us. We are happy to share with you all the knowledge and experience we have. See you in the next video.